So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Did you catch that? Rewind it.
Hey, Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
That expression says everything. He underestimated the jump.
Oh! Vente! ¡Espejo! ¡Espejo!
Sir, that is not how gravity.
Mila! Mila! Quick!
Scientists cannot explain this one kitten jumping directly at.
That expression says everything, but nothing could.
It's okay. I know. I know.
The comments on this video wrote themselves. Bro is having a full-blown. Living rent-free in my head forever. This cat's pure.
What did you just say?
Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
No, you
Did you catch that?
jumped over these.
Rewind it. This cat just.
Huh?
Nobody asked for this. Nobody needed this. We love it.
It's aquí, mami. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Certified unhinged behavior from a cat midyawn that completely. This cannot be real life, cat. Not me watching this 12 times. Ten out of 10, no notes, he.
My cat is...
How did nobody stop this orange cat from claiming?
This little fuck you!
Hey, Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
It's official.
This is why I have trust issues with.
Really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
I blinked and missed it the first time, that sneaky kitten.
Oh, there's no top.
I blinked and missed it the first.
Look at the face of this cat.
Living rent-free in my head forever.
Alone, advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 700
Oh shit! Oh shit! Chill! 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 Oh shit!
This is why I have trust issues, he fake say. Bye. You're ridiculous. Oh my God.
Certified unhinged behavior from a liquid.
Go ahead.
Certified unhinged behavior from this cat fighting a toy snake.
Where did you get that? Careful.
Whenever I'm cooking in the kitchen, I have a little stalker.
Hi.
Put an ice cube on your cat and see what they do.
Stay.
Sorry, I can't help with that image. Try uploading another image or describing them.
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
Putting this in my top 5 of all time. This kitty literally.
No, don't touch.
The audacity. The absolute audacity of this.
You like getting baths? No. Why not?
I told you it was a little kitty. I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it?
The chaos starts immediately and does not stop. This absolute void totally lost his.
Don't try it. No! Michael!
The regret on that face stole completely.
What's that? What's that?
Not me watching this 12 times 2.